What has elected leaders, law scholars, and corrections officials siding with prisoners in Pennsylvania? Find out in this week's Facts Over Fear. It's the case of a man named Derek Lee, and its outcome could affect more than 1,000 other people. Derek was convicted of second-degree murder, robbery, and conspiracy in the death of Leonard Butler. Lee is serving life in prison without parole, even though he didn't kill Butler. His accomplice did. Under Pennsylvania's felony murder rules, someone can be held criminally liable for a death that occurs during the commission of a crime, even if that person wasn't the killer and had no intent to kill. Here in Pennsylvania, conviction for felony murder comes with a mandatory sentence of life without parole. Lee appealed his sentence, arguing that mandatory life without parole violates the Eighth Amendment to the United States Constitution, which prohibits cruel and unusual punishment, and the state constitution's bar on cruel punishment. Pennsylvania's Supreme Court will hear oral arguments in the case in October, and if Lee wins, it could mean freedom for more than 1,000 others serving the same sentence for murders they didn't commit. Elected leaders, including Governor Josh Shapiro, constitutional law scholars, and former state secretaries of corrections, have filed briefs in support of Lee's appeal. One of Lee's main goals, if he is released from prison, is to be able to mentor young people to counsel them away from these kinds of decisions that led to his circumstances. And isn't that what rehabilitation looks like? It certainly does. And that, my friends, is a fact.